we have these two electric trimmer today. This one has full body with cutting head, but this one has nothing. So I will try to repair this one, and I will use its battery and charging system. Let's see what we can do. At first we have to open two of them. It has a 1.2 volt nickel cadmium battery, and inside of it very minimum setup motor, battery holder, charging unit. Charging unit is very simple and very risky. It made with some little component. It's made with almost nothing. Very minimal circuit, and I think not safe. Let's open this one. On the other hand, this one has a better charging system. This one charged from micro USB and this one from direct 220. At first we have to unassemble the battery from the circuit because its body structure is different. Done. And now we should remove the motor too because we'll use this motor. I'll solder it later. At first we're trying to going to cut this board for fit this thing inside the smaller case. This two is for motor, this two is for charging mode, motor charging mode, and this one is the LED. I need 4 cable. Here is the switch position. Okay, so now I'm going to fix this board right in this place. How can I do this? I have to use a lot of hot glue. Check it again. Nice. This is the current condition. I fix it with hot glue and I connect some wire. This one is battery minus, this one is battery plus, this two is motor negative positive, this one is charge positive negative. Okay, then what? Battery connection will go here, this part, in this compartment. This is our battery positive and battery negative. Battery connected. Then what? Then here is our motor positive to positive and motor negative. Done. Our motor and battery is connected to the system, and now let's see fit. Yes, it will fit inside the case. So now we need the last piece of the puzzle, charging port. Yes, we need to cut this here. I think now it will be fit in here, but we have to, we can cover it. I have to trim this so it can fit in here, like more trim. Nice, looks good. Now we have to connect this cable to the port positive. This one is negative. Let's see. Yes, you cannot see it, but you can see the charging LED is glowing. So everything is connected and we are ready to assemble it. Now, what's the problem? Okay, now the front side. Insert the clip. There is 2 clip. They are placed. Here is 2 screw. Here is the second one. Battery is weak and we need to charge it. It's charging and it can run with charger connected. So we fixed this trimmer today. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel